Hi guys, so welcome back and in this episode, in this module, I'll be teaching you how to add text, how to add subtitle, how to add animations and how to add titles. So I'll be starting from the title. So let's assume I want to tell you about this vlog or what this video is about. So once I get to the beginning of this video, I'll go and click on text. So from this text, I'll click on text templates. So I can select any of these templates, any one that I feel that I like among all of these templates. So we have the trending, we have social media, we have titles. So if you want to create like a titles, we have like vlogs. If it's for vlogs, you know all these aesthetic videos that you see online. If it's for outro, if it's chapter, if it's something. So let's just select any of these. You can select from any of the templates. So let's assume we selected this. So it could be how are you doing, or a video of my last travel, a video of my last travel, and that is it. So the video it tells you what the video is about at the beginning of the video. You can see that this is so amazing. So this is how you had a text, this is how you had something like that. So one other thing is that, for instance, if I want my phone to, all these videos that you see that it will tell you what exactly is in this, I can convert this text to speech. So I'll just click on text to speech. I can add any of the voice of my last travel. So it's going to say whatever that it is there. So let's just add this function as well. So after adding this, so let's assume I want to add another text. I want to, or let's just say I've added the beginning of the video. So I can actually edit the video the way I want. If I want the text to just be like just 3 seconds, maybe before it drops from the car, I can add it. So a video of my last travel. So I'm just going to start from here and say a video of my last travel. So from here, if I want it to auto caption, so I'll just come here, I'll click on auto captions as well. So I wanted to click on auto caption. So these are different templates for auto captions. So I can select any of the templates that I want. So if I wanted to identify any invalid clips and delete it, I'll click on it and then I'll click on start. So I'll click on start as well. So it's going to create all the captions for me. So any part of the video that this person is talking, it's going to create a it's going to subtitle whatever that is saying in the video. It's going to subtitle it for us. So it's as simple as that. It's just going to subtitle it for us. So let's wait for that. So it's trying to identify invalid clips, creating the captions already, and it's on 99%. So let's just wait for that. So after the subtitles, so this is it. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Abdurrashid. So you can see like there are invalid 35 clicks. So it's going to delete um it's going to delete all the invalid clips. So after I've selected my it has created the subtitles and the captions for me. So one thing I have to do again is to come here and maybe I want to add a style to it as well. So I can the first thing is if I want to batch edit. So if I want to batch edit is because you can see some part of it the English might be wrong. So all you have to do is just click on batch edit and check for wherever the English is wrong and just edit any English that is wrong out of it out. Then once you are done with that, you go to your style to give it more style, to give it more beautiful features. So what I'm going to do is I'll just click on this first one, click on style as well. So when I come to style, this is the type of the auto captions that we selected. We'll go to fonts. So we can select any of the fonts that we like. I usually love these palette fonts. So we select this palette font because I want everything to be in capital letter, but you can select any one that you want. Then we come to style. So in this style, I can, if I had this, you can see that it gave it another type of editing. I can add this black, I can add this. So it's just going to give it whatever that I want it to give. So after the text, if I want to add increase the size, I'll come down here and increase the size to whichever way I want it to be. So if I want to the opacity, I can increase the opacity. Then after this text, I can come to this stroke and how I want it to be, if it's in black, if it's in everything. If I want to add glow to it, I can add glow to it. If I want it to have a background, I can add a background to it as well. If I want it to have shadow, I can add shadow to it. If I want spacing, the type of spacing that I want, I can let the spacing be like this, be like this, be in any way that I want the spacing to be. If I want to bold it, I can add bold. If I want to italize, I can add italize. If I want to underline, I can add underline. So this is all I can find under the style. So when I come to the effect as well, I can add any effect that I want. There are so many basic effects. We have multicolor, we have all of that. So let me try and remove this effect. So that's it about the effect, and that's it about the effect and all. So if I want it to, let me see any other function. So this is the animation. This is how you want your text to appear. If it's like this, if you want it to be one after the other, today's our first day. If you want it to be in one after the other, if you want it to appear one by one, so like whichever animation that you choose to select, it is totally up to you. It is left to you. It is your choice to select any of the animation. So lastly, if you want to add a text, for instance, if I want to add like maybe a phone number, so you can just come to add text directly. So you can see it pops up, it brings up the text. So maybe I want to add call me on something. So once I click on it, call me on something, I'm going to re-edit it and bring it here or anywhere that I want it to be. Anywhere. I can just edit the styles as well, make it bold and just add text. So this is how you add text. And sometimes you might just want to add maybe a sticker or something. You can always add all of that as well. So anything that you want to add, if it's among the text, if it's along all of these things, you are free to add it. If you want to add stickers, let's say for instance I want to add maybe a subscribe button. If it's a video YouTube video I'm editing, I can just add the subscribe button. So once I click on it, it's going to be here, and I can shift it to wherever I want it to stay for me. I can shift it to wherever I want it to stay for me. I can extend it if I want it to be all throughout the video. I can extend it if I want the subscribe button to be all through the video. And that is it about that.